Well, this is the little home project. I've got to knock this down somehow, but I think I've got the tools. It's going to be tough. It's going to be really tough. The ground's hard, the air's airy, and I really don't know what I'm going to do, but I've got some help. We've brought in some cheap labour. Well, here we are. Gonna have a look inside the house. As you can see, there's a lot of work to do in here. Woof, watch your head. Yeah, there's really sturdy shelves. And the roof's going to take minutes to get down. So look outside. Well, we're getting some cheap help, and that seemed to get the job done in no time at all. So we got the help of a dad, and he sorted it. Oh. Well, absolutely knackered. The ground's full of soil. This project's never going to finish. We've been at it for 2 hours now.